Hey there! Today, let's talk about a pretty interesting problem that some developers have encountered. There seems to be a curious bug in the Android MenuProvider that has left quite a few scratching their heads. The problem arises when you have Activity A with menu items 1 and 2, and Fragment A within Activity A with menu items 3 and 4. So far so good, right? Well, the plot thickens when you start Activity B from Activity A, close Activity B, and then resume Activity A. Suddenly, the action bar menu decides to shuffle the menu items around, displaying them in the order 3, 4, 1, 2 instead of the expected 1, 2, 3, 4. Talk about a mix-up. Now, onto the solution. It turns out that the key to solving this pesky issue lies in using the correct version of addMenuProvider. Instead of using the one with a lifecycle owner and lifecycle state, simply opt for the single argument addMenuProvider in your activity. It seems like a small change, but it makes all the difference in ensuring that your menu items stay put in the right order. So, there you have it. Next time you encounter this quirky bug, remember to make that little tweak and keep your menu items happily in line. And who knows, maybe they'll even start behaving themselves. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment below. Remember, even menu items need a little guidance sometimes. Take care, and happy coding.